recording. Don't go too far.
Hi, buddy. Are you having a good time?
I think he likes the beach. I think he likes the beach. Oh. Here we go. He tries to run from it. No, pause.